Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD just keeps on drifting down, and now that it made a new low on Friday, I can move my structure, which I originally had way up here, to right here. So if we break this structure right here, then that would turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend. I mean, if you go all the way up to the daily time frame and beyond, I personally think we're in a wave one, wave two, and potentially still in a wave three, which could end up stretching out like this, making a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. And this is potentially only a wave one of a brand new monthly time frame downtrend. So we definitely need to stay very bearish unless the market tells us otherwise. For me, anything I see to the upside, I'm looking at is likely nothing more than a crutch into the downtrend. I know the US dollar CAD has been very sideways, kind of on the slow side, but I mean, there never has once been any reason to think that anything up to the upside was nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend. So maybe this is an A, this is a B, this is a C, and then it just keeps on going down. So definitely recommending shorts in a downtrend, especially at the end of three-way pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.